Did you know airlines lose billions annually as clever travelers crack their hidden strategies? In 2025, air travel is more restrictive and expensive than ever. But today, we're revealing 10 secret flight hacks airlines don't want you to know to keep you ahead of the game. From dodging hidden fees to maximizing carry-on space and breezing through security, these insider tricks will transform your flying experience. Ready to beat the airlines at their own game? Let's dive in. 1. The digital compression revolution. How do I fit my entire wardrobe into one bag? Said every traveler ever. With airlines now charging premium fees for every pound of checked luggage, efficient packing is more crucial than ever. Forget the old vacuum method. It's time to upgrade to self-compressing smart luggage. These futuristic bags use internal compression systems that reduce clothing volume by up to 60% with the press of a button. Imagine shrinking your bulky sweaters and jeans into a fraction of their original size without breaking a sweat. But if tech isn't your thing, don't worry. Vacuum compression bags with built-in hand pumps are still a lifesaver. They're TSA compliant and don't require external vacuums, making them perfect for traditionalists who want simplicity without sacrificing efficiency. Pro tip: airline weight sensors at check-in can detect uneven weight distribution. Make sure your compressed items are evenly spread throughout your luggage to avoid triggering additional inspections. This small step can save you from unexpected overweight fees and long delays at the counter. 2. The personal item maximizer. One bag to rule them all. Under 2025 regulations, most airlines have standardized the personal item allowance to one item measuring 16 by 12 by 6 inches, 40 by 32 centimeters, Tredio Gonger Femton centimeter. But here's the loophole. They don't measure flexibility or expandability. Enter expandable personal bags. The ultimate hack. These bags maintain rigid dimensions during initial checks, but stretch to hold nearly twice as much once you're past the gate. Look for ones with the flex capacity feature, which allows you to sneak past initial checks and then expand discreetly when needed. Real-life scenario. Picture this. You're standing at the gate nervously clutching your overstuffed backpack. The gate agent eyes it suspiciously. But wait! You unzip an extra compartment, revealing just enough room to slip in that last-minute souvenir. Crisis averted. Pro tip: digital boarding passes now include sensors that track your carry-on dimensions when scanned. Present your personal item in its compressed state during boarding pass scanning to avoid automatic upcharges. This simple trick ensures you won't get flagged for oversized luggage. 3. The power solution strategy. Never run out of juice again. Imagine this. You're halfway through your flight, and your phone dies just as you're about to watch the season finale of your favorite show. Nightmare, right? Thanks to the 2024 International Air Transport Association power regulations, all electronic devices must now hold at least a 20% charge to board. The solution? Universal GaN chargers with multiple outputs. These compact powerhouses let you charge multiple devices simultaneously without adding bulk to your carry-on. Never check chargers or power banks. Keep them in your carry-on and fully charged. Trust us, you don't want to be stuck on a layover with a dead phone and no way to recharge. Pro tip: most 2025 compliant aircraft feature pay-to-use USB-C ports. Bring a small power splitter to maximize free-tier charging without incurring extra fees. This clever hack lets you share outlets with fellow passengers while saving money. 4. The toiletry compliance hack. Goodbye, liquid drama. The 3.4-ounce, 100-milliliter liquid restriction is still in effect, but many airlines now offer pre-approval of toiletry bags through their apps. Beat the system by using solid alternatives: solid shampoos, conditioners, toothpaste tabs, and deodorant sticks. These items are exempt from liquid restrictions and won't trigger additional screening. Plus, they're eco-friendly and take up less space. Pro tip: save digital receipts for duty-free liquids purchased after security in your airline app. This streamlines the boarding process when carrying duty-free purchases. For example, that bottle of perfume you bought at Heathrow? No need to stress, it's already pre-approved. 5. The baggage tracking revolution. No more lost luggage woes. With RFID baggage tracking now mandatory on international flights, the days of losing your luggage are nearly over. Did you know? Over 90% of lost luggage is recovered within 48 hours, thanks to RFID tracking technology. Still, registering your bag beforehand can help speed things along even faster. While removing old barcode stickers is still a good practice, The real game changer is linking your luggage's RFID tag to your airline's app before check-in. This connects your digital identity to your bag, enabling real-time tracking and ensuring it's always accounted for during transfers. Pro tip: upgrade to smart luggage tags with e-ink displays, which can be updated via NFC from your phone. These tags show only your current flight information, eliminating confusion and making your bag easy to identify. By taking these steps, you'll not only reduce the chances of losing your luggage, but also save time if it ever goes astray. Safe travels. And here's to stress-free baggage handling. 6. The Security AI Recognition System. Breeze through security like a pro. Modern security scanners now use AI to identify objects by density and composition, not just shape. Aluminum foil still causes problems, but so do certain synthetic fabrics and layered electronics. Pack electronics separately in transparent organizers to prevent AI flags and avoid wrapping multiple electronic items together. Pro tip: declare unusual items in advance using the pre-submitted inventory option in airport apps. This significantly reduces inspection times. For instance, if you're traveling with a drone or camera equipment, declaring it beforehand can save you hours of hassle. 7. The Biometric Fast Track. Skip the line? Own the airport. Let's face it, waiting in security lines isn't anyone's idea of fun. That's why smart travelers are jumping on the biometric bandwagon. Once you register your face, yes, literally, with your home airport and airline alliance, you'll breeze through security faster than ever before. Think of it as your VIP pass to seamless travel. Pro tip: use the Travel Identity Passport feature in airline apps to securely store your biometric tokens and share them with partner airlines, eliminating the need for multiple registrations. One registration, endless benefits. 8. The Climate Adaptive Luggage Protection. Weatherproof your journey. Say goodbye to soggy suitcases and ruined clothes. Hydrophobic sprays create an invisible shield around your luggage, repelling water, stains, and even UV damage. It's like giving your bag its own force field. With unpredictable weather patterns affecting flights worldwide, protecting your belongings has never been more critical. Pro tip: apply the spray 24 hours before travel and store your luggage in a cool, dry place to allow proper curing. This ensures maximum effectiveness during your journey. Don't let rain ruin your trip. Be prepared. 9. The AI Packing Assistant. Pack like a pro with AI. Airlines are cracking down on weight distribution in cargo holds. Use an AI Packing Assistant app to create a visual guide for optimal item placement based on your specific luggage dimensions. These apps suggest the most balanced arrangement, saving you headaches at check-in. Think of it as having a personal assistant inside your phone, helping you pack smarter. Pro tip: several major airline apps now integrate with packing assistants. Using their approved packing template can qualify you for expedited bag drop and priority handling. Less time waiting, more time exploring. That's what travel is all about. 10. The Carbon Offset Advantage. Fly green, get perks. With the 2024 Global Aviation Climate Accord in effect, airlines now reward passengers who opt into carbon offset programs. Benefits often include priority boarding, complimentary seat selection, or additional baggage allowance. Always opt in through the airline's app at least 48 hours before departure. Not only will you feel good about reducing your carbon footprint, but you'll also enjoy tangible perks. Pro tip: track your offset contributions through your frequent flyer account to apply accumulated credits toward membership tier upgrades. Flying sustainably has never been so rewarding. Bonus hack: the Smart Itinerary Integration. Sync your entire trip in one app. Thanks to the global flight synchronization system, your entire journey, including connections, ground transportation, and accommodation, can now be linked through most airline apps. This integration allows for automatic adjustments across your travel plans if delays occur. For example, if your flight is delayed, your hotel reservation automatically updates to reflect your new arrival time. Pro tip: enable the Cascade Adjustment feature in your preferred travel app to automatically rebook connecting flights and adjust subsequent reservations if your initial flight is delayed. This ensures your trip runs smoothly, no matter what happens. Final thoughts: air travel may be evolving, but so are the tools and strategies available to savvy travelers. Here are 10 secret flight hacks that remain effective under the new airline rules of 2025. By mastering these tips, you'll not only save time and money, but also enjoy a stress-free journey from start to finish. So, here's a question for you. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try on your next trip? Or do you have a favorite travel hack of your own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, and here's to making every journey smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable.